Last class we analyzed structured data with the MapReduce program, right?
Yes.
So the
Yeah.
requirement, the client mentioned that requirement, he want the total bill of each patient, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
we got the output, right? So
Mm.
in map class logic, you've seen that. Open the map class logic, the map class program of the total bill of each
Okay.
patient.
Okay.
So when you seen the any structured data, if you decide normally any developers seen the structured data, they are trying to work with the problem with the high queries. But in
Okay.
case, right, if the problem is not solving with the high queries, definitely the structured data 100% possible with the MapReduce program. So developers should know how to analyze the MapReduce, how to analyze structured data with the MapReduce program. So obviously in map class
Okay.
function, in map function, we are going to apply that string tokenizer. Normally on a split, we are applying the split function, but in here, when you decide to work with the structured data analysis, the MapReduce program, we are going to apply the string tokenizer. Okay, this is a function of core Java in strings. Okay, it is using to break the string into tokens. It is using to break the string into tokens. Tokens means what? Fields. Okay, so it's taking the by default delimiter is taking the space string tokenizer. Okay, suppose your
Okay.
name is Venkatesh. This is my sentence. My name is Venkatesh. So when I apply this string tokenizer to this line, you are getting that like this, right? So it break the string with the by default delimiter with a space. You understand?
Okay.
So
Okay.
what is the logic here? We are applying the string tokenizer in the map class logic to break the string into tokens.
Okay.
Put a point?
Mhm.
Clear point? So this
Yeah.
string
Yeah.
tokenizer purpose, I recommend you when you decide to work with the right MapReduce program for structured data analysis. Okay. So obviously once
Okay.
breaking that, we are going to define the column names because in HDFS file content only column values are there, but there is no column names, isn't it?
Okay.
So we are going to define the column names in the map class. You see in the map class we defined every column, right?
Yes.
Got it now? So once you define the
Yeah.
every column, we are calling the every first column is the date of joining. Okay, and second column is patient name. Third column is room number. Every field value you are taking that date of joining so many values, patient names are so many values, room numbers are so many values. Next to doctor bill values, then medicine
Okay.
bill values, then room bill values, okay, and other bill values. We are taking the every all column values, okay. After taking all the values of the every column, our requirement is that total bill of each patient. First in map class we will do that, okay. Every year total, every date wise total will do that, isn't it? Bill 1, bill
Yes.
2, bill 3,
Built.
right? Do that every date wise total will do that, isn't it now? So we are taking the value now. What is an output, right? Key is the what now? Patient name. I want to take the patient name, or you can take the two fields also one key, isn't it? Room number, I'm taking that. An output, which I'm going to represent my output in the form of key value, right? In the map output, key is the patient name, room number, and the value is that total bill. I mean, every, right? Date wise total bill, isn't it now? Clear on
Okay.
mind? You are
Yeah.
taking the key concept, key value, MapReduce, Hadoop founders like that. If you decide to analyze
Okay.
HDFS with the MapReduce program, our concept is a key value. Your input is a key value, output is a key value, right? You do understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So we are taking the key patient name, room number, value is the total bill, right? So this
Okay.
output is input of reducer. Now reducer going to aggregating that where the duplicate data appeared. So where the duplicate is, it eliminating duplicate data, isn't it now? Got it now?
Mhm. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm listening.
So what is the requirement two? You can do homework this one. I given the requirement one for total bill of each patient. Requirement two, I want the MapReduce program who paid that highest bill. Okay.
Okay.
So you got the total bill of each patient. So I want that who paid the highest bill among all the patient. So obviously I want patient name and the highest bill value, isn't it? So I want this requirement solution with the MapReduce program. But all these requirement
Okay.
very easy in the queries. Instead of writing this much of lengthy of code, the problems will be very easy to solve in the high queries also. But here we are
Okay.
using MapReduce program. That's the reason for practice purpose you need to do that. Okay,
Okay.
got it now.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah.
So I given a
Uh,
last 1 week back also many times I repeated when you are working with a single reducer, which is a need to add to increase the performance.
the partition we need to add to increase the performance of a reducer.
No, no, please listen to my question.
Okay, combiner. A combiner.
When you work
Combiner.
with a single reducer to increase the performance of the analysis for a MapReduce program, we are adding the combiner class. Got it?
Correct. Correct. Sorry. Combiner. Mhm.
Isn't the question clearly? Okay, combiner class is a default class.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Default class.
Default class. This is also called mini reducer. Combiner class is also called mini reducer, right? That means there is no any separate logic for the combiner class. It's the default class. Okay.
Yes. Correct.
Combiner class
Yeah.
purpose. See that I'm writing the point. Combiner class is using to combine the key values. Using to combine the key values. Okay. And
Okay.
got it now. Combine the key values of the which class output? Map class output.
Map. Map class.
Okay.
Map class out. Mm.
Right?
Yeah.
What is the use combiner class keys values combining? The reason combiner class reduce the burden for reduce class
Correct.
for reducer class. Reducer
For reducer.
right? Reduce the burden for
Yeah.
reduce. Okay. So
Mhm.
here obviously as the best map producer programmer in configuration class we are configured that one line conf dot set combiner class. In your MapReduce program, what is the reduce class name? Same name you are taking as a combiner class name, isn't it?
Combiner. Yeah.
You
Same name.
know, that's why I told you combiner is a mini reducer, isn't it
Yeah.
now?
Same name of the. Yes. Yes.
So,
Correct.
example, if you coming to the example, right? Suppose this is my map output. Imagine the key and list of values that are map output. And after shuffling combine executing, remember after shuffling combine executing, okay?
Mhm.
So this is a map output and shuffled it. Now before going to reduce class executing, combine the executing now. See that combine, I told you it is going to combine the key values. Tell me how many values for the high here? 3, 4,
1, 3, 4,
7,
5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.
9. It can take the values, 9 values, it can like this, right? High has a 9 values, but it is a combine the key values. 5 comma 4, isn't
Okay.
it now? It is not a
Okay.
manipulation,
Okay.
it is
So.
not a summing, it is not a maximum. It is a just how many number of
Uh,
values for the high key, isn't it?
oh.
Understood now?
Okay.
It is minimizing that
Uh-huh.
map output man, isn't it? It is reduce the button
Okay.
class. Now next word buy. Maybe it can take buy like this. Buy value 6, right? It can maybe it can take
6.
like this.
Yeah.
Now tell me
Okay.
after that sorting executing that is a common, isn't it now? Obviously sorting what?
Yes.
4 comma 2.
By 4 comma 2 and high 5 comma 4.
4. This is a sorting. Now obviously reduce class executing start now. Isn't it now?
Execution start.
So
Yeah.
after that, now reduce class without combiner, high values it calling 9 times. See that, isn't it now?
Uh,
9 times calling the
uh-huh.
high values. But here, when combined executed, it calling 2 times.
2 times.
So that is
2 times. Correct.
the reducer is it is minimizing the button for reducer, right? So that is why
Yes.
performance increasing. So as a best developer, you need to mention for every MapReduce program for analysis, right? With a single reducer, you mention this single line. Engine may use or may not use it. Remember,
Okay.
got a point?
Okay. Yeah, I have a question here. Let us consider in this combiner which we have mentioned high 5 comma 4. So let us consider high is uh, um, somewhere 100. Okay, 100 or 50. So it will split it as something like 25 25 or 50
Yes.
50 like that, or
Not
like how
like
is it
that.
take?
2 comma 3 values only, isn't it? Right.
Okay, 2 comma 3 values. Okay.
Got it now? Combiner, when it will
Yeah.
executing, you're mentioning single line, that's it. But engine decides. When you get the very less number
Okay.
of mappers, actually imagine this is in many values. Imagine this is maybe 1 million values of high. Imagine, okay, maybe that, maybe imagine this is thousands or lakhs of values for high. Imagine, isn't it? I written very small value,
Okay.
small number of size, isn't it? Isn't what my point? But
Mhm.
combiner using by engine, when you as a best programmer you're mentioning every time this line in the program, but
Yes, yes.
will decide to use combiner when it will use decide when you get the large number of mappers, then only engine using combiner, isn't it now?
Okay.
If you analyze in kb files, mb files, maybe there's no MapReduce, engine will not use the combiner even if you configure that. You understand?
Okay.
Got it, my mind? Combiner is the
Yeah.
default class, isn't it? Got it now?
Mhm.
When MapReduce, right, API, and when MapReduce engine decides, when decides, right, when large number of mappers, isn't it? Understand now what is the mappers means? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, I understood.
When large number of mappers emitted by which class? Map class.
Map class.
Plus output is a key value, right?
Yes,
Mappers
yes.
is key value pairs, isn't it? Every block output key value, isn't it? Understand now?
Yes.
So when large number of mappers emitted by map class, then only MapReduce engine decides the combiner.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Then only, right, engine decide to use the combiner.
Okay.
Understand now?
Yeah.
Or else you will not use it. If you configure, you may not use it because very less number of mappers you got it, isn't it now?
Yeah.
You're analyzing 1 terabyte file, 16,000 blocks, 16,000 mappers will get it. Isn't it now?
Mhm.
Hello?
16,000 map. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Got it
I can
now?
able to hear you. Yeah.
So,
Yeah, yeah.
this performance, when you work with a single reducer, you should configure the combiner to increase the performance of the
Okay.
analysis. So,
Yes.
last class, did you execute the without combiner with combine? Did you find the difference of the performance?
Last class only we executed in the call only we did that actually, I think.
Sorry, without command, with the command, did we check or not?
I think I checked. I think in front of you only I did.
Yes, performance. How much performance you got it?
We also checked in some HDFS, some seconds performance also we got. We saw that actually. I don't remember,
In a
but
small
we
data
did that
set,
in the
you
class
will
in front.
not get the minutes difference. When you're working the production
Uh,
cluster, GBs and all terabyte analysis, we are seeing the minutes
uh,
of difference. Okay, with combiner,
correct.
combiner. So when you analyze in the large files, for small files,
Yeah. In the
we can't find a very big difference in the single node cluster. Okay.
yeah yeah yeah
No? So that is the reason which
yeah.
combiner always is the best map produce programmer practice to work with us,
Understood.
right? Combiner, but when you
Mm,
work with a single reducer. But when you work with when you work with more than one reducer, please don't configure the combiner. Okay?
okay.
We are going to
Okay.
add reducer class that is a partitioner class.
Partition class. Yeah. Correct.
You know?
We need- Yeah.
So next put the heading logs analysis.
But partition class program, I think we have not executed. Sorry, if
We are going now, right
can you just
now.
remind me?
We are going now.
Okay.
We are going to now,
Yeah.
isn't it now?
Yeah, that's what you started with log analysis row. So only I thought of.
Partitioner. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, okay.
Analysis we are doing with the partition
No,
going to be, isn't it?
I told you actually partition we have not done like that. I told that's all.
We are going to see the
Okay.
partition also in the log analysis example.
Okay, fine.
Log analysis with MapReduce program. Okay, right.
Mhm.
Did I send you any log file to you? Sample data set you last class?
Sample that host.exe you have sent a long back, and after that,
We'll send you right now in right now in email.
yeah, please send me.
So in meantime, open the exercise folder, partition folder. Go to open the partition folder. Take the partition folder. There is a 4 classes in the partition folder.
Partition.
Okay.
You're asking me in the setup only, right?
The Eclipse in the training exercise folder, Venkatesh.
Yes. Yeah, that is what I'm
It
asking
is
you.
there in the partition folder. There is a 4 classes are there. Take that
Hmm.
4 classes into Eclipse. Create the project in Eclipse. Take that 4 classes into Eclipse.
Hmm. Okay. Partitioner. Sample solution is a folder which it is created.
4 classes take into Eclipse. Once create the project in Eclipse.
Okay, fine, I'll do that. Okay. Okay, so map class, Redis class program, I just pulled into the Eclipse, and there is one file that is log analyzer.java and mypartition.java. So even those two also, I'll pull that into the Eclipse. Okay.
Yeah, there is an additional class, partition class. Normally, map produce program always 3 classes. But when you work with the more than one reducer, we are adding the additional class. That is a partition class. Okay.
Okay.
Take the 4
Okay,
class
fine.
into Eclipse now.
Okay, I'm doing that. Just wait, I'm just doing. Daily, if we work with this, definitely the most of the things I can able to learn, but
Yeah, practice,
okay.
practice. Okay. So now once
Yeah,
you just log in also, I'll give the sample one assignment to you. Structure data one assignment I'll give it.
mhm,
Okay.
mm.
Because mathematics program only hard work is important. Hive is easy, pick is easy, HBase is easy. So only hard work.
Yeah, yeah. For me, the time is only I'm not getting actually. Yesterday by 4 o'clock I came home actually. Whole night I was there in office. I came home.
That's
I
why
took bath. I had
it's
something.
also not active.
Sorry.
Your voice is also not active. Right, right.
Uh,
I found
what to do?
is when I start at 7:30, it's
Uh,
voice little dull.
yeah. So,
What about did you see the Bahubali?
actually, it is booked on Saturday. My team only booked. Actually, my manager only booked because we will be having.
Movie is awesome.
Uh, um,
My friend seen that.
okay.
My friend told me his movie is awesome. It is better than Bahubali 1.
Oh my God. Okay, okay. Yeah, he already saw. Is it?
Yeah, my friend already seen that today morning premiere show. Last
Oh
night
my God.
the premiere show in Hyderabad.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
Easily.
Actually, that Prabhas, that Krishnam Raju, they are far relative for us.
Oh yeah, yeah. You are also Raju's. Me also. We are also Raju's man.
Oh, okay, okay. I didn't know. Okay, okay. From which state? I mean, from
Vijayawada.
which? Are you from Chittor or?
Vijayawada.
Sorry.
Vijayawada. Vijayawada.
Vijayawada. Is it? Okay, okay.
Amravati, no,
Uh,
Amravati capital. Yes.
okay, okay, okay. There. My great great grandfather he was from Chittor. Then they moved to Mysore. Now Bangalore. Like that we came.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Movie is
And now I'm doing all the. Tell me, tell me.
movie is going to be easily 1,000 crores will be crossed it.
Yeah, yeah. Long back, I have seen him. Long back in the sense, very long back. Some 15 years back, he came to one function. He came with
True.
his father and Prabhas Surya Narayana Raju and
Father.
Krishnam Raju. We had a function.
Mm-hmm.
He came in Mysore. They came.
Oh,
Nobody will believe me actually if I tell that okay, he's our
oh.
relative. Nobody will believe me.
Nobody will not believe it. Suppose you're going to be maybe after 2 years you're going to be very big man in the coming future. Suppose if I told you I train him, Venkatesh, no one believe, isn't it? Well,
Yeah.
so suppose
No.
my friend,
Yeah,
my friend
mm,
father, grandfather is very close friend of Abdul Kalam, and he used to be studied together. And they told that, but they will not believe that Abdul Kalam is my my friend brother. Or like
uh,
they will not believe it, isn't it? Once people are celebrating,
yeah,
it's very difficult
uh,
to build that trust.
yeah, nobody will believe.
But
Okay.
very nice family, Prabhas family. His father has died last 5 years back. His father expired, I think.
Yes. His father he only brought all M.M. Kiravani and Rajmouli into the industry. He helped a lot, actually.
Exactly.
Mhm.
But he's a very great guy, Prabhas. There's no any
Uh-huh.
like egos and not like this. He's a very normal person, Prabhas.
Yeah, he's very no. He won't go to even party also. He don't do any party, something like that also.
But now is Bollywood is going to be worrying about this
Uh,
Bollywood now because now
yes.
a maximum 650 crores is highest in India, right? Highest
Yes.
collections. But now Bahubali is 2 is going to be crossing 1,000 crores easily. The people saying that because it's not only
Uh.
popular in only in the Telugu industry, it is popular in the Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, right? And
Yeah,
word.
yeah.
Really, first day only there is a 10, 15 lakhs tickets are sold in India.
Yes, yes. In Karnataka, all directors are crying. They're coming to Facebook and they're telling, we had a lot of Kannada movies and you people didn't release. So many things they're telling actually.
They stopped it actually. Even some Hollywood movies also stopped it because of no theaters for.
Yeah,
Okay, did you done?
yeah.
Copy that files.
Yeah. Yeah, I copied everything. I'm doing that refactor.
Okay, okay.
Rename.
After that, once you open the email, there is I send you log file sample file. So
Okay, okay,
please take that file and put it in HDFS.
okay, okay. My God. I'm doing it. I'm actually
Yeah, okay.
log analyzer. Okay. Okay, log analyzer is done and log file mapper program is done. I'm just checking it. Okay, I have done everything, but I'm just checking it. Log file mapper is done. Map log file mapper. Why one mistake is there? Oh my God. Actually, one error was displaying. I'm just checking into that. Okay, please give me one minute of time,
Okay. Okay.
because after doing this, I don't want to face. Okay, everything is done.